Good morning, students. Today we will continue lesson chapter 3 Union Government. Yesterday we will discuss about some important functions of Union Council of Ministers and Supreme Court and other functions. Okay. Now we will continue chapter 3 Union Government. Okay, Union Government. Okay, here yesterday we already discussed the president role and next cabinet functions. Okay, next Union cabinet ministers. Okay, these are mainly we will discuss yesterday. Today now, president role of the speaker, Lok Sabha speaker. About speaker. What is the main important of person? What is the main important characters of under the legislative common house, legislative assemblies and common houses? Both Parliament and Lok Sabha. Okay, Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay, already you know the Prime Minister, main head of the person and leader of the Parliament. Okay, any bill, money bill or any bill act, the bill is announced first one in Lok Sabha. The bill was discussed method under the legislative members. Okay, legislative members and other council of ministers, council of minister and legislative members. Okay, we will discuss already in article, which are article number 372, president role system. Okay, article number 356 and 372. Important of legislative councils, financial executives. Okay, next financial matters we will discuss previous classes. Okay, so Lok Sabha speaker, the speaker is controlled by the mainly common house, common houses, common house or common houses. Controlled by the Lok Sabha speaker. How to appoint, how to mainly selected Lok Sabha speaker. How to select it? Here mainly common house legislative members. Okay, the house legislative members. Next, legislative members and union of ministers. Legislative members and union of ministers. Union of ministers. Union of ministers and legislative members selected by the Lok Sabha speaker. The Lok speaker, it is made under the Constitution of India. The speaker powers. The speaker controlled by the common houses, particularly parliament, and it is sometimes given sometimes punishment also, like in disturbance of in houses. It is like financial type of functions. The speaker mainly controlled by the Indian nation and parliament level. Finance. The speaker also mainly aims. First one it is the financial matters. Okay. Number 2, administrative council. Administrative council. Administrative council and financial council. Okay. Next, union council. Union council. Okay, these are mainly 3 types of characters under the Lok Sabha speaker. Lok Sabha ruling. Okay, financial matters also. First, the bill is money bill or other. We will discuss under the control by the parliament level. Second one, administrative function. The administrative. Okay, the administrative is how to working. The administrative type of characters. Administrative functions mainly appointed of new members. Okay, the new members every duration of the period. Lok Sabha speaker also minimum how many years? Every 5 years. Every 5 years change mainly cannot the periodical time. The periodical time. So the Union Council. Next to the Union Council. Union Council of the Minister and ruling party and opposition parties. Opposite parties also mainly sometimes given some advice also given under this speaker. Opposite parties. Okay, next ruling party. The ruling party is the majority of the party. Okay, the main power, valuable power. The valuable power only mentioned under the Lok Sabha speaker under the Constitution of India. Okay, so this is the main common houses of the under the Lok Sabha speaker under the Constitution of India. Article 50 to 60. These articles under the speaker. Working. The speaker is mainly it is the main power of the common house under the control by the discipline also. Discipline also mainly will maintenance of the speaker and sometimes ruling parties and opposition parties discuss of the two type of here both levels both we are also we will discuss under the common house. Okay. Okay. How to be selected 2/3 of the members. 2/3 of the legislative members and council of minister. It is called Union Council of Minister. Okay, legislative members and Union Council of Ministers will be selected under the 2/3 of members speaker. Okay, 16th speaker now present. The speaker is mainly sometimes given some advices under the constitution rules, the constitution values. Okay, the constitutional rules and constitution values. So 50 to 60, the president it is main appointment of the under the legislative councils, legislative council and legislative common house. So Union Council of Minister here mainly discuss about financial matters, other bills, any bill act. The bill is accepted or not accepted. Under the voting system only conducted under the parliament level voting system. Okay, the cast vote. The voting system only decide of the bill is finally given judgment. The judgment is also decided of the under the voting system. Okay, so the judgment given from the voting system and members. How many members are there? Looks about 545 members. How many members? 545 members. Actually, 543 members. Remaining 2% Anglo-Indian members. Anglo-Indian members. Okay. 500 total 543 members. In 543 members selected under the constitution. Every state legislative members. The legislative members there. Remaining 2 members Anglo-Indian members. Anglo-Indian members. So total overall how many? 545 members under the Lok Sabha. Okay, upper house. Lok Sabha it is also called upper house. Upper house and legislative common house. Okay, upper house. But here Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is also it is called lower house. This is called upper house. Rajya Sabha it is called Rajya Sabha. It is Rajya Sabha. It is the common house. It is called. It is also called lower house. Okay. So the main power of the system, the power of bills and the power of the many type of bills or another remaining of any act. The power of the bills also mainly discussed on the parliament level. Okay. So the Lok Sabha is also called upper house. The upper house mainly strongly. The country strongly also mainly mention of the Lok Sabha speaker. Okay. The Prime Minister mainly given some advices also. Sometimes to discuss about the parliament level. It is mainly financial and the council of ministers, executive minister and legislative members also. Legislative members. Executive members also mainly we discuss on the Rajya Sabha. Who is the head of the Rajya Sabha? Vice President. Okay. The Rajya Sabha head of the person? Vice President. Okay. So it is clear. Vice President. Rajya Sabha head of the person. Rajya Sabha only How duration period? How many Rajya Sabha members? How many years of duration period? 6 years. How many years? 6 years. Okay. But Lok Sabha remaining all are total about how many years? 5 years. Okay. These are the 6 years Rajya Sabha members. These are the Lok Sabha members. How many? 5 years. So the duration period of the term mainly selected of the in any council of India, council of ministers. Okay. Union councils and executive members. The executive members also mainly under the common house of the parliament. Executive members under the every member the own constituency, the constituency problems, constituency referring of ideas. So any new bill are accepted, the new bill are announced of the under the parliament level, new bill or new act. Okay. So the bill is totally last final decision. The bill is totally final given under the constitution rule. Under the which rule? Constitution rule. So the constitution rule, it is mainly the constitution rule, constitution ideological theory, the constitutional total about discussion on the parliament level. Okay, everything constitutional bill signed. Constitutional values, the act also everything discussed on the parliament level. So given some advices also like about legislative members and union council of ministers, head of the executives. Okay, who is the head of the executive? President. Okay, head of the constitution also president. President and the prime minister, both two members. Head of the executives. Head of the executives under the president and the prime minister, head of the executives and head of the council also. Nation, here nation leader, the national leader. Okay, here any type of system. The council of minister under the railways or forestry, mining. Okay, different type of departments given some advice under the presidential prime minister type of system. So the article mainly 372, article 372, the president rule. Already yesterday we discussed about president rule system and Supreme Court functions and types. Okay, types of the functions, types of and functions of the Supreme Court Council and president rule will yesterday discussed. So the Lok Sabha speaker, it is the speaker mainly conduct the some 2 or 3 months conference or meeting. The meeting conducted and given arguments are mainly listening to the 2 types of arguments. The listening to the 2 types of arguments, opposite party members and ruling party members. Listening of the mainly highest percentage of the party under the ruling party only. So the ruling party members sometimes opposite the ruling party members, sometimes against of the opposite leaders. The ruling party members and opposite party leaders sometimes against of the bills. Any bill, many bill are monetary funds. Okay, any type of acts. Okay, so the common house and the legislative councils, the legislative members mainly discussed on the under the control by the speaker. Under the control by speaker. So this is the main power of the speakers. Main power of under the constitution. Okay, under the president's rule. Main power of the speaker of India. Also speaker of India. Same as it is state-wise. Okay, the state legislative assembly also same. The Lok Sabha speaker powers are to the state legislative assembly speakers also same powers are mentioned. Okay, under the constitution of India, here president of the systematical theory. The systematical theory, who is the first head of the person? President. Okay, the president of the second vice president. Okay, next third one category, prime minister. Okay, the prime minister, there are divided some 3 types of functions. Union Council of Minister. Okay, Union council of ministers. Okay, next to home affairs. Okay, home council of ministers under the legislative. Home council of ministers. Next, number 3. Okay, number 1, union council of ministers. Home council of ministers, advisory ministers, advisory system or advisory group of ministers, advisory group of ministers. Okay, these are level of 3 under the union government. Under this government, union government. Okay, union government or parliament level also. Union government or parliament level. President, main head of the constitution, controlled by the both houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. It is called 3 group of areas is called parliament. Okay. President after second, president option there means vice president. President and vice president, the power is same power. What is president and another option means vice president only direct ruling of the nation. Okay. The vice president of the after next third one category prime minister. The prime minister system, it is 3 type of legislative members there. Okay, the union council of ministers. The union council of ministers here one side. One type of category is union council of minister. Second type of category home council of ministers. Home ministers. Example. Okay, controlled by the homes. Number 3, advisory type of ministers. Advisory functions. Advisory type of minister. So this is total. This type of chart it is called union government system. Union government system. So under the articles, different president under the 350, 356, next to 370. Okay, 356 also under the articles of president. Vice president also under the article number 200 to 220. Okay, prime minister 52, 56, 55. These are article under the ruling of and working of the prime minister. Okay, the prime minister again here 3 type of system: union council of minister, home affairs, and here mainly local type of character. The union council of ministers only under the direct ruling of every department, department categories. Okay, number 3, advisory council, advisory type of minister. Advice, some ministers, some given some advisors also, helpers, like a helpers type of minister. Okay, this type of total, this is total under the union government system. Okay, same state government also like this there. What is state government? Here prime minister, president means state government there, but governor. Okay, governor, chief minister, and here state ministers there. Okay, this is the same common system, union government and state government. Okay, here executive members. The executive members, it is the main power and commonly ruling of the under the control by the parliament, the own constituency, under every state. Okay, every state appointed of the executive members. The executive members, the state. The every state wise some problems there. What is the main problems? The create of the problems. Okay, solve the problem. The total under the views of the executive members. Okay, here the next Lok Sabha Speaker. It is main power of the Common House. This is the main theory. How many years minimum is 35 and above. Okay, the eligible of the speaker under the years above 35 years. Okay, above 35 years. How many years are ruling? Minimum commonly 5 years. Or sometimes continue years also. Sometimes 10 years also there. But depend on the members. Depend on the legislative members. Okay, eligibility. Lok Sabha eligibility how many years minimum? 35 years or above. 35 plus. Okay, 35 years and above. 35 years above. So the eligibility of criteria. Tenure. Okay, tenure. This is Lok Sabha Speaker tenure means controlled by the legislative members. Okay, and council of ministers, executive members, okay, and well maintenance of the common house, okay, well maintenance of the answerable to given under the president and the prime minister. This is the main power of the Lok Sabha speaker, main power and some important of functions of the speaker of Lok Sabha. Okay, next type of character, next one, Lok Sabha speaker after okay, next one, the other functions, Lok Sabha speaker, other functions, other type of character. What is the other functions? Here mainly the bill is any bill, money bill or other type of bill. The bill conducted, the bill mainly the bill is conducted and rules and regulation. The bill of conducted rules and regulation under the given some advices and discussion of the and listening of two type of political parties, particularly ruling parties, okay, the ruling party viewers. Next opposite party viewers, opposite parties legislative, ruling party legislative members and union council of ministers. Next opposite parties members. Here two types of both, we have two types, first one, second one. Okay, conduct the meetings, conference under the parliament level, okay, discussion of the two type of viewers and control by the mainly common house. So this is the other functions. Here and other functions powers, okay, the main money type of bills, money bills are next to common bills, okay, common bills are money bills. Like example, here any religion or any caste or reservation type of system, changes of the amendments, okay, change of the schedule or article, okay, under the listening of to both type of biases, both type of bias opposite are next to here ruling parties, opposite parties and opposite party and ruling party of bias. Here listening of the both type of bias in the bill is money bill or common bills. Common bills like example in agriculture or other type of system, okay, here two types of bills. The bills is totally announced and the bills totally decide and discussed about under the parliament level. So the decide and final giving of the judgment Lok Sabha speaker. Like example, Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judges. The Supreme Court judge giving some last final judgment. Okay, it is the veto power of the judgment. Veto means compulsory accepted every people. Compulsory accepted for all the nation of all areas. Okay. It is the apex court of India, Supreme Court, like example. Okay, so same here the Lok Sabha speaker also compulsory given some schedules and ruling of the parties also sometimes given of the sometimes struggles and ruling parties also and opposite parties also some struggles created. So sometimes boycott of the members. Okay, boycott of members, particularly which parties? Opposite parties. Boycott of the members. And continue the Sabha is commonly ruling of some days, okay, some 1 week or 10 days, okay, decide on the own viewers under the ruling party viewers, okay. Sometimes you mainly elect under the elected members, like in the direct type of common house, parliament type of elected members. So these are other functions of Lok Sabha speaker, okay. So president ruling system, okay, you already know the president ruling is the constitutional emergency, okay, nation of the state emergency. It is two type of meanings are there. Number one, national state emergency. Next, constitutional emergency of the state. Constitutional emergency of the state. So it is also called president rule. So article number 356 and 372. President rules mainly mentioned 356 and 372 articles. Okay, separate of system the president rule. Okay, the president rule and the Lok Sabha speaker here both is a different type of characters, different type of system there. Okay, so these are the main Lok Sabha speakers of functions. Okay, other functions also mainly we will discuss under the category of Lok Sabha, Council of Ministers and legislative members. Okay, next Council, Union Council of Ministers, other characters. What is the other characters? The Union Council of Ministers, actually the Union Council Minister is selected under the Prime Minister. Okay, under the decider of the names President. The President only given some powers. Okay, that is the valuable powers. Particularly, which powers? Valuable power. The valuable powers mainly which are the ruling of and mention of the Lok Sabha Speaker and the Parliament levels. Okay, here next category, other type of system. What is the others? Next type of system, other type of system, we will discuss next class. Okay, students, thank you.